For decades, software development has been defined by one constant: humans writing code line by line, tool by tool. But today, that foundation is shifting. Apple has just released Xcode 26.3, and with it, one of the most significant changes to software development in years: native AI coding agents built directly into Apple's development environment. This is not autocomplete. This is not code suggestions. This is agentic AI. AI that can reason, act, and execute inside your codebase. And this update may quietly redefine how software is built. Xcode is the backbone of Apple's ecosystem. Every iPhone app, Mac app, Watch app, and Vision Pro experience starts here. When Apple updates Xcode, developers pay attention. But Xcode 26.3 isn't just an update, it's a statement. AI is no longer an assistant, it's becoming a collaborator. Xcode sits at the center of that network, now guided by agents, not menus. They understand context, move through files, and act with purpose as you build, keeping momentum without dead air. So let's clarify what Apple means by AI coding agents. Traditional AI tools suggest code. Agents do the work. In Xcode 26.3, AI agents can analyze entire project structures, navigate files autonomously, generate, refactor, and optimize code, run builds and tests, diagnose errors, propose fixes, and implement them, all from natural language commands. Instead of saying, "Here's a function," you can say, "Refactor this module for performance," and run the tests. And the agent executes inside Xcode. Apple isn't doing this alone. Xcode 26.3 introduces deep integration with leading AI models, including OpenAI's Codex and Anthropic's Claude, using Apple's Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP allows AI agents to understand your codebase, project context, documentation, build tools, testing environments. This gives the agent situational awareness, not just intelligence. If you're new to programming, this changes the learning curve entirely. Instead of struggling to understand project structure, syntax errors build failures. You can ask, "Why is this failing? Explain this file? Show me a better approach." The AI doesn't just answer, it demonstrates. This turns Xcode into a guided learning environment, not just a compiler. For experienced developers, this is about velocity and focus. AI agents can now handle boilerplate generation, test scaffolding, repetitive refactors, documentation syncing, debugging first passes. That frees developers to focus on architecture, performance, security, product logic. This isn't replacing engineers, it's amplifying them. The best developers won't be the ones who code the fastest, but the ones who orchestrate AI most effectively. Tools like GitHub Copilot paved the way, but Apple's approach is different. This isn't a plugin. This isn't a browser overlay. This is deep OS-level integration inside the IDE. Apple controls the environment, the hardware, and now the AI workflow. That level of vertical integration is hard to replicate. Xcode 26.3 isn't just about coding. It signals a future where software is built conversationally, developers supervise instead of execute, AI agents become standard teammates. We're watching the transition from manual programming to agent-driven development, and Apple just made it official. Picture the near future: calm, connected systems where agents coordinate work in the background while you direct outcomes. That's the shift Xcode 26.3 sets in motion. Continuous, clear, and uninterrupted. Xcode 26.3 is not the end of coding. It's the beginning of a new era, where human creativity and machine execution converge. If you're learning to code, this is your entry point. If you're a professional, this is your advantage. And if you care about the future of technology, this is a moment worth paying attention to. Welcome to the next wave.